dangerous thing that I'd like to do that involves two members of this audience. Would you all like to see it? No, but I can't do it unless you're louder. I said, would you like to see it? Right, I need two grumpy dads from the audience. Two freezing cold. Hello, Facebook. Hi. Look, Wally. I'll tell you what, we'll have these two here. Come on. That's it. Come on, guys. Give them a round of applause. Wow. Hello. What's your name? This is Ross, and this is Mark. Wow, Mark. Come this way, Mark. Don't fall over. We don't want a mark on the floor. Now, Mark, stand there. Ross, you just stand over here. No, there. No, there. No, there. No, there. No, there. Stop! Ooh. Now, Mark, hold your arms up as high as you can. Oh, look, stretch mark. Now, Mark, we're going to be doing one of the most dangerous juggling maneuvers there is, and it's called the Walk of Doom. Liverpool One, I said the Walk of Doom. Yes. Now, what's that? Question mark? Question mark. Now, I will be juggling these three. Careful. Mark, you nearly had a skid mark then, didn't you? Now, Mark and Ross, don't worry, this has never gone wrong before, mainly because it's the first time I'm doing it. Now, what I need you to do is lie down on the floor. Feet that end, head that end. So, slowly, that's it. It's like a Saga Holidays advert then. Arms across your chest. Ross, if you could lie right in line with him. There we go. Right up close. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to be juggling not one, not two, but three razor-sharp knives while walking over your bodies. Let me hear you say, ooh. Now, guys, in England they call this a knife. In France they call this le chopper. And in Highton they call it Exhibit A. Right, now, guys, every time I take a step, I need you all to join in, okay? Every time I take a step, I want you all to all go, ooh. Let's give it a practice. Ready? Step number one. Now that was good, but it needs to be better. Step number one. One more time. Step number one. Brilliant. Now that's for no reason but to scare Mark and Ross. Drum roll, please. Here we go. And if you're filming this on Facebook, goes wrong, at least we'll get 100 quid off that Bible. Here we go. 3 knives. There we go. That normally gets a round of applause. Tough crowd. Here we go. Step number one. Guys, you got to be louder. Step number one. That nearly went wrong, Mark. Step number two. Mark. Step number three. Guys, you've got to get louder. The more steps I take. Step number four. Step number five. Hiya, Ross. Now, Ross, I know what you're thinking. And don't panic, it's only sweat running down my leg. Now the final step, and the audience at Liverpool One are going to go crazy. Step number 6. Fantastic. Just wait there, Mark. Come on, stand up. Fantastic. Hang on. I'll help you up. Come on. Mark. Stand up. Let's hear it for my 2 volunteers. Thank you, Ross. You can go back to your seat. You can go back to your standing bit. That's it. Come on, let's hear it for Ross. And Mark, don't look scared. Wasn't Mark extra special, guys? Now, in the show this year, we do have a scene in our show that uses 3D special effects. Oh, come on, it's more special than that. 3D special effects. So, Mark, I think I need to give you that experience right now. Shall I give that experience to Mark?
Yeah!
Okay, Mark, take off your glasses, because I've got some of these bad boys. There we go. You just stand there, look that way, and any second now, the 3D effects will take place. Here we go. Can you see anything yet, Mark? No? Shall I see anything yet? Come on, everyone, let's see those hands clapping. Come on. Are you ready? Here we go, Mark. You'll see stuff flying towards you. Here we go. Yeah! Yeah! There we go. Let's hear it for Liverpool's very own Frosty the Snowman, Mark! Right, Mark, you'd like to go back this way? Come this way, Mark. This way, I don't know, have we got a towel? There we go. Come on, guys, let's hear it for Mark! Wow, amazing. Hey, guys, I'll let you into a little secret. Mark is actually my dad. You were all worried then. Come on, let's hear it from my dad. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Wow, guys, we've got one last song that we're going to sing for you. Here we go, Maestro. Take it away.